Good morning to all the students who are present in the Google Meet for the discussion on Constitution for Scout and Guides classes 8 to 10. A couple of days back, we celebrated our Constitution Day. It is also known as the National Constitution Day or National Law Day. It is a very auspicious, a historic event for our country when our Constitution was adopted. Constitution is a supreme document for the country. It provides us with rules and regulation, laws for the citizen to be abided. Constitution we have been studying from class 6 as it is a very important for every democratic country. The first introductory page of the Constitution is preamble. And the preamble I would ask first Ragini to read out in Hindi because our preamble is bilingual. In fact, the Constitution is bilingual and the drafting chairman has been. Open your mic and say.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, B.R. Ambedkar.
Yes, ma'am. Preamble, huh?
Yes. Yes, I'll just share.
Ma'am, yes. Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, can you see the preamble in Hindi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I would.
भारत का संविधान उद्देश्य का हम भारत के लोग भारत को एक संपूर्ण प्रभु संपन्न समाजवादी निरपेक्ष लोकतंत्र गणराज्य बनाने के लिए तथा उसके सम्मानों को सामाजिक आर्थिक और राजनीतिक न्याय विचार अभिव्यक्ति विश्वास धर्म और उपासना की स्वतंत्रता प्रतिष्ठा और अवसर की क्षमता प्राप्त कराने के लिए तथा उन सब व्यक्तित्व की गरिमा और राष्ट्र की एकता और अखंडता सुनिश्चित करने वाली बंधुता बढ़ाने के लिए संकल्प होकर अपनी इस संविधान सभा में आज तारीख 26 नवंबर 1939 में द्वितीय मार्गशीर्ष शुक्ला 26 संवत 2006 ईस्वी को एक द्वारा इस संविधान को अम्लित अधिनियमित और आत्माकृत करते हैं। धन्यवाद।
जय हिंद।
जय हिंद।
यस, प्रियम्बल जैसे मैंने कहा इट इज़ इन 2 लैंग्वेजेस, बाइलिंगुअल है। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में इंग्लिश में भी है और हिंदी में भी है। यस, इंग्लिश में
मैं पढ़ूं?
नहीं मैंने बोला। यस, हाँ, यस, स्टार्ट।
The Constitution of India, Preamble. We the people of India have been denominated for the Constitution of India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of individual and the unity and the integrity of the nation. In our Constitution Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, to how we adopt the enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind. And you must say Jai Hind. So yes, this was the preamble in Hindi as well as in English. The three words, sovereign, socialist and secular word, has been added during the amendment done in the preamble on 18th December 1976. And this preamble gives us the gist of the Constitution. The Constitution also lays down the fundamental rights and duties. Fundamental rights are very, very important to all the citizens so that no injustice is done to them and justice can be provided. Yes, fundamental rights. Yes, start, Amritanshu.
The fundamental rights: right to freedom, right to exploitation, right to freedom of religion, right to cultural and educational remedies, right to constitutional remedies.
Yes, we have 6 fundamental rights. Rights to equality means we have all citizens are equal, irrespective of caste, color, creed, and gender. Right to freedom means right to express ourselves. Right against exploitation means nobody can exploit, nobody can do injustice on anyone. Right to freedom of religion means every individual has the right to follow his own religion. That means we have secularism. Right to cultural and education means we have the freedom to practice our own culture, own way or own language of the education. And constitutional remedies means the time changes, situation changes, requirement changes, so our rights also needs to be changed. So 4th amendments in the Constitution, which is done by the Parliament with the discussion in the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. So this is about the basic information about the fundamental rights. I hope it is clear to one and all about the fundamental rights. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Preamble is also that gives the gist of our Constitution.
Ma'am, constitutional remedies you can explain, please.
Constitutional remedial means any changes, any amendments that we want in Constitution, क्योंकि time to time the situation changes. Is it clear? So some amendments can be done. We have done about 42 amendments in our Constitution till date. Preamble में हमने एक बार amendment किया है 1976 में. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now, fundamental rights we
Yes,
know
ma'am,
it
yes.
very well. 6 हैं, हमको याद करने को भी easy हो जाता है, and we know it. What we do not know is about fundamental duties. Democracy can only be successful if we follow the fundamental rights and fundamental duties. So yes, fundamental duties are also to be read out. Yes, on your video when you are reading the fundamental duties.
Fundamental duties. Constitution of India, Article 1A. It shall be the duty of every citizen of India to abide by the Constitution and respect it as an institution, the national flag and the national anthem, to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India, to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so, to promote harmony and the spirit of brotherhood amongst all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic and the regional or national diversity, to renounce derogatory to the dignity of women, to value and preserve the rich heritage of culture, to protect and improve the natural environment, including forests, lakes, rivers, wildlife, and to have compassion for living creature, to develop the scientific, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform, to safeguard public property and to observe violence, to strive toward excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity so that nation constantly rise to higher level of endeavor and achievement. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. So these were the fundamental duties that we do not know. Now we should know our duties also along with the fundamental rights. Then only a democratic government can work successfully.